I'm using a blow dryer to heat the Velcro strips that the soft cab attaches to. It was a very time-consuming process. I had to get all of the surfaces clean with a 50-50 alcohol and water solution. Here's the finished product. I also got a hardened plastic windshield, and it just has rubber kind of securing straps you can pop on and off for removal. Zip open doors. Seems to be holding water pretty good. It's raining pretty hard. As you can see, a lot of water retaining in the roof right there. I might add an extra support to kind of keep it from pooling. It just velcros around the bars to the Velcro strips that I had attached a couple days prior. It says to let them sit and kind of bond to the roll bars. Also bought a little 12-volt heater off of Amazon. Bought that. It just plugs into the cigarette lighter. Doesn't put out a ton of heat, but it'll keep the window from fogging up. Gonna mount it right there on the dash. The door zips from the inside and outside, obviously, and so does the window. Overall, the material seems pretty durable. Pretty satisfied with my purchase. If you have any questions about the windshield, the soft cab, or the install process, feel free to comment, and thanks for watching.